What is going on, man? And welcome to the T Shanley channel. My name is Dave, and today you're gonna learn exactly how to trim your beard the right way so you are looking fresh, clean, and dapper for the ladies. Step one is, of course, to let your beard grow out. Now, depending on how fast your facial hair grows, this can take anywhere from 2 weeks to 2 months. So, patience is key. In fact, there was a study done in 2016 by the International Journal of Cosmetic Science that found that on average, facial hair only grows up to 0.27 millimeters per day. So don't get embarrassed or annoyed if you don't grow a full out beard in just a couple of days. Patience is a virtue, bro. Step two is to get a beard trimmer. Since you're gonna be trimming your beard, you don't wanna use your regular razor as you're not gonna be able to trim with this. Razor blades cut the hair right at the follicle, so they're best for a clean shave, whereas the trimmer is a lot better for grooming. Next, you wanna start by trimming your neckline. And bro, you do not wanna have a bunch of hairs on the bottom of your neck where they shouldn't be. So start off by trimming a U into the bottom part of your neck right below your jawline. You don't wanna go too high, that way your beard can wrap underneath your jawline, which is gonna give you more of that chiseled jaw look. But you also wanna make sure you're trimming evenly and symmetrically. A 1998 study by the Psychometric Bulletin Review found that symmetrical faces are more attractive than asymmetrical faces. So make sure it's even and on point. Step four is to trim the flyaway hairs on and around your cheekbones and your lips. You want to keep your beard as thick as it naturally grows on your cheeks, so make sure you don't trim below the beard line. As for your mustache, you don't want hairs growing over or past your lips. That's not gonna be a good look when you kiss girls. So be aware of when that happens and be ready to trim it when it does. Then if you have any flyaway hairs above the mustache onto the cheeks and around this area, trim those as well so your mustache is looking on point and fresh. Okay, now you've essentially drawn where your beard is gonna be on your face. You've gotten that far, you got the blueprint, the foundation. Now it's time to shape it. Keep in mind though, this only applies if your beard is long enough. So if you've only been growing it out for a few days or a few weeks, you don't really want to shape it yet because it might come across a little bit patchy. There might be some holes in there and you definitely don't want that. Now, as far as shaping it, you want to use one of the trimming guards or some scissors to cut off any excessive long hairs that are popping out. And the crazy part is you can actually give yourself your desired face shape just by shaping your beard a certain way. For example, if you want to give yourself a slimmer look, then you can focus on the denser areas of the beard to make them lighter. Step six is to even out all the hairs. Again, this only applies if your beard is thick enough. So what you want to do is using the clip guard on your trimmer, line up your beard, make sure it's coming out even and not patchy. That way it's going to look fresh. So make sure to have like the same number setting sort of throughout. Number seven, you want to make sure you moisturize. You want to make sure the skin underneath your beard is well hydrated and moisturized because hey, the last thing you want to do is ruin your nice beard with a bunch of beard dandruff. If you are getting beard dandruff from time to time though, you should try using tea tree oil to combat it. A 2002 study from the American Academy of Dermatology found that tea tree oil is great for beating and eliminating beard dandruff. And one crazy thing is a lot of guys think that just because they have a beard, they have a free pass to not worry about any of their facial skin that goes underneath the beard. Well, sorry to say, bro, that is definitely not the case. If you want healthy skin, you gotta stay consistent with your skincare regimen, and that means washing your face every single day, twice a day, morning and night, as well as moisturizing morning and night too, and then exfoliating twice a week. But you want to use a daily moisturizer that is fragrance-free, like T. Shanley's AM and PM moisturizers, because fragrances have been shown to irritate, inflame, and even cause dermatitis to the skin after you're done trimming. And this is all according to a 2017 study. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and go out there and shape and trim your perfect beard. And if you want to see more videos from T. Shanley, check out this right here. And if you want to see more of T. Shanley's products, you can check this right here. And I will see you in the next video, bro. Peace.